Good evening, gentlemen. I want to do this video for a purpose. This video is about Onyema. I have known Onyema now for close to 35 years. We work together as lawyers in Lagos. Uwazuruike, Onyema, and Uwazuruike. We work together. I didn't meet Allen as a thief or a fraud or a dubious person. Allen has been a hard-working young man, a go-getter, an achiever. All these trumped-up charges, money laundering, bank fraud, blah, blah, blah. I'm so surprised and shocked because, you see, nobody has said that Onyema took his money. Nobody petitioned. The American government didn't say Allen defrauded their bank. Nigerian government didn't say so. We are doing business with Onyema for the past 10 years. Since 2010. He was buying from you, pushing money into your country. He wasn't a thief. But the moment he changed, according to you, and started buying from another country, he became a thief. So what for? What for? Money laundering only when it affects you. When other people are sending money into your country, it's not money laundering. When they want to take the money to another country, it becomes money laundering. What nonsense. What nonsense. For 10 good years. Because he's doing well. When Allen was putting up this ethnic nationality, unity, this and that, I warned him. I said, look, they are talking of one Nigeria. And that's the only area I have disagreed with Allen. Allen believes so much in one Nigeria. So these people will disappoint you. One Nigeria what? Onyema, people that hate good things. They will never like any Igbo man to succeed. All the time. Whenever I call Allen, they will tell me, Ralph, these people want to kill me, or they don't want me to operate, or they want to... So I told you. I told you the plight of our people in Nigeria. But you never believed. That's the only place I have disagreed with him. I don't believe in one Nigeria. Because it doesn't exist. But Allen believes so much in one Nigeria. And he's seeing it now. Who are the people petitioning, talking all this rubbish? They are Nigerians. Those who don't want the Igbo to rise. Those who want the downfall of Ndigbo. They write all sorts of things. Because they are in the same competition with Onyema. Then they have to say all sorts of things against him. Look at all the atrocities the foreign nationals commit in Nigeria, moreover in the oil industry. Who knows the quantity of crude oil America and Britain lift from Nigeria every day? They steal all these things. Nobody cares. Their nationals come into Nigeria and commit all kinds of atrocities. Nobody cares. But somebody took his hard-earned money to a country, buying goods from you. The moment he changed to another country, he became a fraudster, money launderer, blah, blah, blah. We stand with Onyema. I'm talking as an insider, somebody who knows him. When he launched this APs in Lagos, the very first day he launched APs in Lagos, I was there with former Governor of Cross River State. I was there live. You know, I'm not a frivolous person. I don't walk around anyhow. But for me to attend, you know what it means. If Allen was a thief or a fraudster, I wouldn't go. I wouldn't have gone. I would have put there. But I went because he's a hard-working guy. He's someone I respect, someone I like. When we are working together, we are much into property, into buying land, selling land, and all that. Allen was a superstar. Before he could sell one property, Allen has sold 10, 20. He has that gift. He's a businessman. He was far better than us, I must tell you. He was making more money than us. We knew it was his star. That when he came into the industry, aviation industry, I told him, like I said, man, you are going to choke up this place now. You are going to bring something extraordinary into this system now. He laughed. I knew him very well. Before a few years, the industry changed. You see what is happening now? Enemies are coming. They want to remove him so that Ndigbo will suffer. Before now, you will have to go to Port Harcourt. They will suffocate over the airport. If you need to fly from over the airport, you will stay at the airport for hours. But immediately, APs came in. Such problems disappeared. Now they want to remove him. Because this is an Igbo man that is doing well. These are the things we see in Nigeria. That is why I'm saying we don't want to stay in this country. But Allen, someone like him doesn't believe. And he's seeing it now. This is an eye-opener to all Ndigbo who believe in the so-called one Nigeria. I didn't want to even say anything about this, but I have to say it again for posterity, for the sake of future. Allen Onyema is not a thief. He's a hard-working young man. He's the type of young man every nation wants, every community wants. Look at what he did the other day. When Nigeria had the problem of lifting the guys, people in South Africa, he brought out his aircrafts. Is Allen Onyema the richest man in Nigeria? Where we are the Dangotes or $10. He had that spirit of giving. Now he want to choke. He want to push him out of the industry in order to get out of Ndigbo. We understand, but the people will not succeed. He will never succeed. We stand by him. Whether America wants him, United Nations wants him, that doesn't mean anything. These people stand by him because we don't know him as a thief. He's not a thief. And I'm happy nobody has said he stole his money. America has never said Allen took any $1 or $1 belonging to their bank. Nigeria has never said so too. Then they want to kill him because of his money laundering. But when we were doing business with him for over 10 years, the issue of money laundering did not arise. He's now thinking of going to another country to buy the same thing you are selling. Maybe you are selling for a higher price. Then money laundering came in. This type of cheating you people have been doing to us, neocolonialism, over years. You want to continue with your money laundering policy to checkmate the black race, money laundering. But all the atrocities you people are committing in Africa, nobody talks about them. To hell with money laundering.